Alright, so I'm bored as shit and I decided why not do a video on my everyday makeup, even though we're in quarantine and we all know we're not going anywhere. Anyways, I thought why not show you the products that I use. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna start by prepping my face. So I use this toner, Witch Hazel. I bought it from Walmart for like $5 and I really swear by this product, so I really recommend for $5 that you guys get it. Then it prevents bacteria from building on your face, so like pimples and shit. Yeah, I'll just pretend like I know what I'm saying. Once that's done, let it bitch dry. And just letting you know, yes, I did my nails myself because again, the salons are fucking closed. If you guys want to know how I did them, I could do a video on that, I guess. And I'm gonna put my Clinique moisturizing lotion. Yo, bitch is not coming out. Oh, I just got this foundation. It's by Maybelline and it's called Dream Radiant Liquid and it's in the shade 05 Vanilla. I'm pretty sure it's too light for me. Maybe it's not. I usually like to use darker foundation to make me look darker, but I guess it's gonna work. I'll just bronze my face like a bitch. Did I put enough? We'll see. I'm gonna use my dirty ass sponge and blend that shit in.
Is she okay?
Make sure you put some on your neck. You do not want to look like you have a fucking mask. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me in 11, and I think it's darker than my foundation, but whatever. I'm gonna put a fuck ton. Whoa, my nose looks so big. Whoa, I swear it's not that big. See, it's not that big. Okay, once that's done, I take this powder that I got in my BoxyCharm. So I get BoxyCharm every month and I love it. So yeah, this is the powder. It's Ciate Everyday Vacay coconut setting powder. So it smells like coconuts. It's just like translucent.
Can someone tell me what the hell I'm doing?
Oh my god. So once I have that on my face, on the parts of my face where I did not put bake, I'll use this Maybelline Fit Me powder. And it's in 120. And if you guys want me to make a makeup collection, which I would love to do because I have so much makeup, let me know. I don't even know if anyone's gonna watch this video, but yeah. So I'm just gonna take, I was about to wipe it off. So I'm just gonna take this and put it in the empty spaces. So now I'm just wiping off the other shit. But yeah, I'm just gonna use this mini bronzer and it's in Chocolate Soleil. And I've been using the same brush and I got this in my Boxy. It looks a little rough, like it's seen better days, but, and there's a hair hanging off of it. That's really cute. I just really like this brush for bronzer. I don't even know the name or anything like that because it's literally been scraped off. But yeah, this brush, and you just blend that bitch out. They're gonna need a little more. You can never, ever, ever have too much bronzer. Let's just be honest. You need to put a lot. A lot. Do I have enough bronzer? No. So that's just been like 5 minutes of me putting on bronzer. So I forgot my palette. So the palette I'm going to be using today is one I got at my Boxy. Sorry, I really love it. It's by Dose of Colors. I think they sell this at Sephora. It's called Baked Browns, and I absolutely adore this palette. Let me just show you guys. Oh, that's cute. So it's all nudes and they're all matte, and I love it. But yeah, I'm gonna go with this color, which is called Deserted. And I'm just going in with this brush again that I got from my BoxyCharm. It's a Luxie large eye blending brush in the number 250. So I'm just going in with that. And I'm just like going quickly in my crease. Just really quick. Nothing fancy. Just to give myself some color. And I'm doing it on the other side. So now I'm taking I was taking this color in Outdoorsy, and I was just putting that in the outer corner to darken it up. And I'm just blending the shit out of it. It's kind of a reddish tone, but I don't mind it. And then I'm going to use this darker color at the end, which is called Rock Bottom. Oh, wow, that's like my life right now, Rock Bottom. Jeez, that is perfect for me. So I'm just taking the same, you know what? You don't have to make it complicated. You can take the same fucking brush. You don't need 1,000 brushes. I do have 1,000 brushes, but you don't need 1,000 brushes. So I'm just putting a little bit on there. See how it just makes it a lot nicer? And don't mind that fucking crusty ass glue for my eyelashes, but so I'm still blending it in. Now that I've created this look on the lids, you want it to, so I recommend everyone does this. I'm not sure if you're good at makeup or if you're experienced, you might do this already, but if you're not, then I'm going to show you. What I personally do to tie in the look, you will take a small brush. This one is by Moda Pro, which I got in my boxy. And the name of this brush is 420 Detail. So it's just like a little smudger brush. So what I do is, and a lot of people do too, not saying I'm the only one, is they take the shadow and they go under the eye. And I used to never do this, but now I can't live without doing it. So I'm going to take that color again in Deserted. And then you just go underneath like this. Okay? Grab a little more. Make sure there's no fallout. And now I'm going to go under the other eye. Now we'll take the second color I used, and I'm going to do that and put it just right at the outer corner. Not too in, just right at the outer corner. Okay? And I'm going to take a little bit of that dark Rock Bottom color. Just a little, not too much. Now I'm going to go with my lid color. I could sit here and do a cut crease, but again, we're keeping this simple. I'm going to take, I could just leave it like this and add, like if you wanted, you can leave it like this and add like a mix of these two colors. What I would do is I would mix these two colors and just put it right here. If you want, you could do that, but I'm going to add some shimmer. I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette. Look at that. And I'm gonna take I'm gonna take this dark gold. I'm gonna use my finger. You could use a brush, like a flat shader brush or like a flat packing brush, but I'm gonna use my finger because I think personally that's the best way to put shimmer. So I'm taking my finger and I'm putting it Cute. And I'm gonna do the other eye. Yeah, it looks cute. I'm gonna put an inner corner color because I truly think this makes a huge difference in your eyeshadow. When you have that bright inner corner, it just ties in the look, it makes you more awake, it makes you just look more beautiful. This color. And I didn't even see the names. Oh no. Okay, the shade color of this one apparently is called Creamsicle, but I don't get it. Okay, Creamsicle. And then this shade over here is called, okay, no, I think I'm reading this upside down. Oh my god, no, it's upside down.
Bitch, you just dumb.
Oh, the color I used is called Queen. So I'm using that one, obsessed, with this brush. I'm gonna take this shade and this shade and I'm gonna mix them together. Done. Now, I'm done with the eyeshadow. No more. Now we're gonna do something really, really, really tricky. It's almost like Olympic sport. Eyelashes. I need some mascara. I just need a coat just to make my eyelashes look a little black so the lashes blend in. This great lash mascara that I bought at the dollar store. Okay, done. So now I'm gonna put the lashes. So the eyelashes I'm gonna be using are the Kiss blowout lashes. The glue that I use is this Duo glue. So it's the Duo 2-in-1 brush on strip lash adhesive. So this side is black, so it's the glue dries black, and then this one is clear, so the glue dries clear. So today I'm gonna be using the clear one because I think that's the best idea with eyeshadow. So I'm just doing a thin layer. Okay, so now that the glue has been there for a couple seconds, I'm going to put it on my eye. I'm going to use a mirror. Again, this is Olympic sport. Don't expect me to do it with no mirror. Sorry if you can't see shit. And then you need a little tweezer. Whoa! Okay. Done. Now, to finish off the eyes, you need mascara on your bottom lashes, okay? You need it. On. I have a trick for you guys. Let's say you guys get mascara on your nose. Like, you know, when you're doing your mascara and you get it on your lid or whatever. You take a spoolie. You wait till that shit dries. And you just scrape that fucking shit off. And then it doesn't ruin your makeup. So I just used this lipstick, which I really love. It's by Hard Candy. It's called the Velvet Mousse in the shade Buttercup, and I highly recommend this lipstick. It's really good and it smells really good and the color is so nice. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. It's not too complicated, it's pretty basic. If you guys want more tutorials or a makeup collection or any more videos, let me know and I can do that for you guys. I hope you guys are doing well with the quarantine. I know I'm having a kind of a hard time, but I know it's hard for everyone. But yeah, I'm here for anyone if they feel alone, if they want to talk. Like, I know we're all living through this right now together, and Yeah, so hope you guys have a good evening or day, whatever you guys are doing. And yeah.